For all of my DIY skincare makers out there, I have a pro tip for you that you are not going to want to miss. I'm going to teach you today a very quick and easy step on how to colloid your powders into your glycerin so that they beautifully incorporate into your formula. It's called making a slurry. You know, when you're trying to incorporate powders into your liquid formulas, like a toner, for example, I love to always add a little xanthan gum and a little glycerin to my facial toners because those are both wonderful humectants that hold water on the skin surface. But when you have a water-based product, you are going to come across a challenge when you try to add these powders, especially these clumping powders that thicken with water into your formula. You're going to find that they're not going to be evenly distributed within your liquid. Now, this works not only with water-based products, but also with creams. So I have a whole water phase when I make a cream, and my water phase, I always add, these are ingredients that I live by, xanthan gum and glycerin. And so I always have those two ingredients in pretty much every water-based formula that I make. I am making a toner today. I don't need a lot of these ingredients. These two ingredients, organic vegetable glycerin, ideally not derived from palm, if you can find it, or sustainable palm, and xanthan gum soft, which I get from Lotion Crafter. These two ingredients are all you need to make your slurry, but if you have any other powders in that phase of your formula, let's say hyaluronic acid or collagen peptide powders, allantoin, not sure how you say it, all these wonderful skin conditioning and hydrating ingredients can all go into your slurry so that you're not having to worry about adding a bunch of loose powders to your water phase and watching them all clump. Okay, so we're gonna make the slurry, super simple, but your glycerin is your carrier, okay? My recipes only calls for a very small amount, only 2 grams, but you're gonna add your glycerin, tailor your scale, and add all of your powders to your measured out glycerin. So I don't need much. My xanthan gum only calls for 0.5 grams. And of course, I'm using a milligram scale here so that I have a really good readout. Looks like that. And then you're going to get your stir stick and you're just gonna mix them together. This is you making your slurry. So you're colloiding out your powders so that they're evenly distributed within your glycerin. Now you can pour this slurry into your water-based ingredients to thicken them and incorporate all these lovely powdered cosmeceuticals into your formula. So there you go. That's how you make a slurry. Super simple, kind of a no-brainer. I remember when I first learned about it, it was just like a major aha moment. Enjoy this simple step. If you want to learn a ton more awesome tricks of the trade, make sure to check out my website, herbnerd.com. I have a great course called Formula Building Blocks that I developed with a cosmetic chemist, where we go on the deep dive into all of the important and essential foundational ingredients to any great skincare formula.